Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add page number in Canva dynamically. So you don't need to input your page number manually. There is a very good Canva option that you can use to add your page number dynamically and very easily. So how can you do this? You see, this is my PowerPoint document and there are 10 slides in my current project. And if I want to add page number dynamically to my documents, I can do this. Just click text and here you will see dynamic text option and page number. Just click here and there are a few options available. You see it already added page number in all of my documents. If I zoom it a little bit, you can see this. So this is the page number, but I want to change this page number. Like there is a few format. The first one is number only, which is now applied in my projects, but I can also use page plus number like this format. Example, page 1, page 2, page 3. Or I can also use page 1 of 10. Let's say if I am now in page number 4, it will show like 4 out of 10. This format if I use this orientation. So let's see how this works. I am clicking here and apply properties to all app, and you see in all of my slides it is dynamically applied. So I can also change the position of this page number. Let's see, I want to place this in this area, and I can also apply this whole of my projects by clicking here and apply property to all pages. And now you will see the page number is here for all of my pages. So there are other options available, like I can also control the page number from here, and I can also remove every page number just clicking remove all page numbers here. And I can also like tweak or adjust my page number. Let's say I want to add another project in my timeline. It will automatically or dynamically add the page number here. You see the page number is added. So if I delete this page, it will also automatically and see 9 out of 11, 10 out of 11. If I delete it, it will automatically adjust the, see now 9 out of 10. So this is the way, and I can also colorize or change the design. Like I can adjust the font. Let's see, I want to change my fonts to this format, and I want to apply this for all of the pages. And now you will see this change has been applied to all of my pages. I can also change the text or design for one particular page, not for every pages. Let's see, I want to change the color of the text in like this color, or a dark color like this. And you see this has been applied for only one page, not for all page. It's applied for only one page. And if I want to apply it for all page, just click properties to all pages. So now it has been applied to all of my pages. So these are the dynamic page addition in Canva. So you can use this feature to add page number in all of your pages, all of your projects. And this is basically for both of the user. If you are a Canva free user or if you are a Canva Pro user, you will have this option available in your Canva account, and you could use this feature in your projects without any hassle. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel.